Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's video, where we'll guide you through decorating your Breezeblock garden border. With the right tools and materials, you can turn your outdoor space into a beautiful oasis. Let's get started. First, ensure you have a clean and organized workspace. Lay out all your tools and materials: breeze blocks, corner blocks, cap blocks, rebar, gravel, landscape fabric, concrete mix, level, trowel, masonry saw, string line, rubber mallet, shovel, wheelbarrow, gloves, safety goggles, measuring tape, spirit level, masonry nails, and a hammer. Now, it's time to set the foundation for your Breezeblock garden border. Begin by digging a trench using the shovel. It should be the same width as your breeze blocks and deep enough to accommodate a layer of gravel and landscape fabric. Pour gravel into the trench until it's about 2 inches deep. Compact it down with a tamper or the back of your shovel. Lay landscape fabric over the gravel to prevent weed growth. Trim any excess fabric and secure it in place with landscape staples. Mix your concrete according to the manufacturer's instructions in the wheelbarrow. Use your trowel to apply a layer of concrete to the trench. This will help secure the breeze blocks in place. Now, let's start laying the breeze blocks. Use your level to ensure they are even and level both horizontally and vertically. Connect the blocks at the corners using corner blocks for stability. To give your border a polished look, add cap blocks on top of the breeze blocks. Apply a thin layer of mortar or concrete mix to secure them in place. Use your spirit level to make sure they're flat. For added stability, insert lengths of rebar into the breeze block cells, especially at corners and along long stretches of the border. This will prevent shifting over time. Remember to prioritize safety throughout this project. Wear your safety goggles and gloves to protect your eyes and hands. Periodically use your string line and spirit level to check the alignment of the blocks. Make any necessary adjustments before the mortar or concrete sets. With your masonry saw, cut any blocks to fit the desired dimensions. Secure cap blocks with masonry nails and a hammer. And there you have it. Your Breezeblock garden border is now beautifully decorated. With the right tools and a little creativity, you can transform your outdoor space into a work of art. Thanks for joining us today, and happy decorating. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.